Welcome to our channel GK In. This video is the first part of a series on Indian Railway, aiming mainly the students and the job seekers preparing for RRB exams and other competitive exams. Who is known as the father of railways? George Stephenson. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Lord Dalhousie. Which was the first railway station in India? Bori Bandar. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Lifeline of the nation. Which is currently the most expensive luxury train in India? Maharajas Express. What is the official mascot of Indian Railways? Bholu, the guard elephant. Which is the largest railway junction in India? Madhura Junction. Who was the first railway minister of independent India? John Mathai. What are the two train services between India and Bangladesh? Bandhan Express and Maitri Express. Which is currently the fastest train in Indian Railways? Vande Bharat Express. This train is also known as Train 18. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Pir Panchal Railway Tunnel. From which year the Indian railway budget started to present separately? From 1924. When was the railway budget merged to Union Budget of India? 21 September 2016. Which state of India has maximum number of rail routes? Uttar Pradesh. What is the name of train service between Pakistan and India? Samjhauta Express. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? 18 zones. On which date was India's first passenger train service started? 16 April 1853. Which is the first railway station in India to introduce computerized reservation system? New Delhi in 1986. Which is the first Indian bridge to built across the sea? Pamban Railway Bridge. Which is the 18th railway zone of India? Southern Coast Railway. Which is the first underground metro of India? Kolkata Metro. Where is wheel and axle plant of Indian Railway situated? Yelahanka, Bangalore. Which is the largest railway museum of India? National Rail Museum, New Delhi. What are the two Indian railway elements in UNESCO's World Heritage Site list? Number 1. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Number 2. Indian Mountain Railways. Which Indian state is not connected by a railway line till date? Sikkim. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.